balls.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Smoking Bears. Today we're outside of a bear cave and we're going to do some brownies. They aren't your average brownies because we're going to use some pumpkin mix and a brownie mix. The brownie mix we decided to go homemade, but you can even do a box mix, and we'll leave our homemade one in the description below. And for today we have a buck out here, the OG drum, and we're going to cook them on there. So let's get started.
Go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Smoking Bears. Today we're outside of a bear cave and we're going to do some brownies. They aren't your average brownies because we're going to use some pumpkin mix and a brownie mix. The brownie mix we decided to go homemade, but you can even do a box mix, and we'll leave our homemade one in the description below. And for today we have a buck out here, the OG drum, and we're going to cook them on there. So let's get started. Alright, so we have our pumpkin mix can open, and we're just going to take a spatula and just put it all into our mixing bowl. Alright, and now we have our brownie, our dried mix, and we're just going to go ahead and add it in. Alright. And now comes the fun part. We mix. Today we are going to use cast iron, and it's not just regular cast iron. So for my 16th birthday, I got a Rosie Riveter cast iron skillet in memory of her passing. So we're going to use this and make some memories with Rosie. So we have our cast iron, our mix, and our spray. We're going to go ahead and spray down. Alright, so we just sprayed down our pan, and now we're going to take our brownie mix. Drum is about 325. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and put Rosie right here in the middle. And we're going to let it go for about 20 to 25 minutes. Maybe 30 if it needs it, and we will get back. Alright, so it's been about
an hour.
And we're going to take them off. Take our good, guys. Alright, so we have them out, and I'm just going to double check them. Yep, they're all done. And now we are going to let them rest, and then we'll do a taste test. Alright guys, so now that it has completely cooled down, guys, let's go ahead and get ready for a taste test. But you can see how it pulled away. It looks like it's ready to actually come out of the pan. So we're going to go ahead and flip. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. And after the flip, Rosie just has a little bit on the sides, and otherwise she's pretty clean. So let's go ahead and get this taste. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out a slice of brownie. Alright. really good. Alright. So then take a... Alright. They're really good. Dad, you want to get in on it? It's very soft and gooey, as a brownie should be.
Texture's a little denser than a regular brownie mix. Mmm.
You get a good bit of pumpkin come through, and it's very chocolatey, which is really good. But I 100% recommend this recipe. Have fun with it, do your own taste. And that's it. Smoking Bear signing off. And get out there, fire something up. Get out with your family, your kids, whoever. Stay safe. See y'all later.